The other interesting thing about social proof, we use this a lot for YouTube or any kind of digital ads, video ads, is especially user-generated content, but testimonials are pretty engaging as well if they're done the right way. And I know you know how to craft the right testimonial or edit the right testimonial, but they tell a story, right? And stories are very engaging. So it provides that social proof, gives you confidence that it's going to work. And it's also pretty engaging and helps draw somebody in. It's interesting. I remember going through a period of time when I had some clients tell me like, testimonials, it's old school. But I think everybody's over that. Like they know now this works. It's gonna work forever. That's like saying good offers. So like old school. Like okay. So anyway,
Yeah, I've heard that so many times in so many different ways. Like there's so many things that everything that I'm saying and everything that I will tell people is tested. That's tried and true means it's been tested. And before me, billions of dollars have been spent proving these things out. So I always kind of have to laugh when people say, I'm not going to do that.